Hey everyone, my name is Philip with iRobot, and today we've got something special planned for you. Not only are we going to cover one robot, but today we're covering two. We've got this limited edition sleek bundle that includes our Roomba i3 Plus EVO and our Braava Jet M6. These two robots are going to be able to keep your floors completely clean all year round, and we'll see them in action in a minute or two. But first, we got to take a look at what comes inside the box for the Roomba i3 Plus EVO. So first up, we've got the Roomba i3 Plus EVO that's currently sitting on the Cleanbase automatic dirt disposal. Then you'll also receive the power cord, one extra filter, and one extra dirt disposal bag. With our patented 3-stage cleaning system, know that our tangle-free rubber brushes, along with our specially designed edge brush, are going to be able to allow Roomba to clean any type of floor that you have in your home. That's right, carpets, tile, whatever you got, Roomba can handle. Plus, Roomba can get into all those hard to reach areas like under your entertainment center, under the table, and even under your bed. With our patented dirt detect technology, you know that Roomba's going to focus clean where it's needed the most. So underneath the bed where it might be the dirtiest because it's hard to reach, you know that Roomba's going to be able to focus on that area before moving off to another. That's right, Roomba doesn't do single pass cleaning like you'll see with other robotic vacuum brands. Have a larger home, multiple kids, pets, maybe all of the above? It's not a problem. It now includes our intelligent imprint smart mapping, where you get to pick and choose when and where you want Roomba to go clean in your home. Maybe you just want to clean the master bedroom and the dining room, and they're on the opposite ends of the house. Roomba's going to take off, do those rooms in the order that you chose, and then return home right after. If Roomba's bin fills up before the job is complete, know that Roomba's going to travel home to the clean base, empty its bin, charge its battery if needed, and then pick up right where it left off, and then continue to do this until the job is complete. That dirt and debris that Roomba picks up during its cleaning missions will be emptied into an enclosed disposable bag that can hold up to 60 days worth of dirt and debris. That means no cloud of dust when you go to empty it. Simply open the lid to the clean base here, pull the tab up, pull the bag out, throw this used bag in the trash. Go ahead and grab a new bag to replace it with, and slide it on into the clean base here. That clean and simple. Now that we know more about the Roomba i3 Plus EVO, now it's time to look at its extra sleek tag team partner, the Braava Jet M6, and what all comes inside the box. We got the Braava Jet M6 itself, you know, the device that's going to keep our floors nice and shiny, to go along with our charging base and docking tray that keeps those dirty pads off your clean floors, along with the Bona mopping pads and cleaning solution. Your Braava Jet M6 can clean all sealed hard floor types. And with our Maximize Edge design, Braava Jet M6 can clean deep into corners and along the wall edges. With our Precision Jet Spray to go along with Bona cleaning pads and solution, Braava Jet M6 can handle all the spills and grime that end up on your floor. Just like with the Roomba i3 Plus EVO, Braava Jet M6 also has our intelligent imprint smart mapping, where you can control when and where you want Braava Jet M6 to sweep or mop in your home. Have a troublesome spot or tend to spill some coffee on the floor right in front of the coffee maker? With our clean zones and keep out zones, you can really focus clean where and where not to clean in the home. Simply open the lid, pull the tank up and out, fill it with a cleaning solution that fits your floors, place it on back in. From there, grab the mopping pad of your choice, and slide it on in. Now, Braava Jet M6 is ready to go to work. When it's done with its cleaning mission, simply pick up the Braava Jet M6 by its handle here. On the front, there's a button, and then you can dispose of the dirty pad. If it's a disposable pad, just go right in the trash with it. Or, if it's a washable pad, press the eject button right into the washer. Pretty simple, right? The best part about this tag team, besides the sleek look that is our Imprint Link technology, where Roomba will vacuum first, and then when it finishes, it'll tell the Braava Jet M6 it's your turn. That means Roomba's going to handle all the dirt and debris that's on the floors in your home, while Braava Jet M6 is going to handle all those sticky messes. You can't get a much better clean than that. The great thing about the iRobot Home app with this dream team of clean is that you can control both robots on demand, set a repeating schedule, or you can simply tell your favorite Google or Alexa enabled device to tell your Roomba and Braava to clean the floors in your home. Which, that reminds me, Alexa, can you tell Roomba i3 Plus EVO and Braava Jet M6 to clean the kitchen, please?
Okay.
All right, that's everything you need to know about the Roomba i3 Plus EVO and the Braava Jet M6 and how these two make the ultimate tag team. So go ahead and get your floors a present with this limited time offer. To learn more about each of these individual robots on their own, please check out the other videos we have on them as well. Thanks for watching, everyone.